is to locate your hood release, which is located right under your steering wheel. Give that a pop. Next step is you're going to want to locate your hood latch. Put up your hood support bar and locate your air box, which is in the front left corner. There are two latches, one in the front and one toward the back. They just pop up and release, and you can lift up on the back side and slide it out from under it. And there's your air filter. At this point, if you have a stock air filter, you can just go ahead and pop your new one in, just like so, and pop your cap back on. Have a K&N recharge kit, which comes with a cleaner and a foam filter spray. Got your cleaner, which is in a spray bottle, and your foam oil filter spray. You're going to want to take your filter out, take your air filter cleaner spray, and just give a good soak down. This will eliminate any kind of oils, dirt, and debris, and break anything up that's hard to spray off with the water hose later. Just saturate it nice and good. It's a big bottle, so it'll last a while. Let that soak for a few minutes. Next step is the garden hose. You're going to want to spray this filter out very good. Get all the dirt and debris out of it. All the air filter cleaner. Being a reusable filter, we can get this wet. And it's not going to hurt anything. We'll just dry it out nice and good before we install it. I'll spray it out so the water looks clean coming out of it. Should get every angle. After it's nice and soaked, give it a nice little shake, get excess water out of it, and you can either let it sit for a few hours in the sun, or you can use like a leaf blower to dry it out a lot quicker, or an air compressor after your filter's nice and dry. Give your filter oil a good shake and a light spray down. No need to go super heavy. It is like a pinkish color, so as long as you coat everything evenly and just wipe down the edges after you're done. Give it a spray on both sides. She's ready to go. After you're done spraying down your oil filter, or your air filter, you can, not do that. You can just pop it back in, snap it into place, falls right back into place. You can also wipe out your air box if you'd like. And just put your little fins underneath the little catches. Push it down. Grab your little levers, snap them back down in reverse order. And you are done. Start her up. Starts up just like a dream.